Valence bond theory of coordination compounds. Examples of formation of inner orbital and outer orbital complexes: high and low spin, octahedral, tetrahedral, and square planar. In the syllabus, no specific examples are given. Therefore, one example in each section will be explained. All the other examples given. Following the steps, please try to do it by yourself. Valence bond theory explains structure and geometry of coordination compounds. Let us take octahedral complexes first. The octahedral complexes are formed either by D2sp3 or sp3d2 hybridization and can be grouped into the following two categories. 1. Inner orbital complexes. The complexes involving D2sp3 hybridization are referred as inner orbital complexes. This is because the formation of such complexes involves the participation of the inner d orbitals, that is n-1 d orbitals of the central metal atom or ion during hybridization. These complexes are usually contain lesser number of unpaired electrons. Therefore, they are also called low spin complexes or spin paired complexes. Some common examples of this type of complexes are given here. About 5 examples are given. For the meaning inner orbital means hybridization. For example, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d. If this is the arrangement, if the d, 3d and s and p are hybridized, this is called inner orbital. That means the n-1. This is n-1. N is equal to 4. When n-1 d orbital hybridized with s and p, we write d, that is d2 or dsp. Whereas this nth one, fourth one, that means 4d, if it undergoes hybridization, we write as pd, d2 or d3 or how many d orbitals, what is taking place. That is the meaning of inner orbital. This is inner orbital. If it is like this, it is called outer orbital. This is the meaning of inner orbital and outer orbital. Next, we are going to discuss about the outer orbital complexes. The complexes which involve sp3d2. That means sp3d2. That means d from the nth one, that is 4. Called outer orbital complexes. This is because they involve the participation of the outer d orbitals, that is nd orbitals of the central metal atom or ion during the hybridization. That is, such complexes possess comparatively higher number of unpaired electrons. Therefore, they are also referred as high spin complexes. Fill in the blank question can be asked. What is mean by low spin and high spin? Low spin means inner orbital. Inner orbitals are called low spin. Outer orbitals are called high spin. Then some common examples of these types of complexes are given. All these examples please study because match the following question. They will give you any of the example on A, and here inner orbital and outer orbital will be given. Therefore, unless you are thorough with which are the examples undergo inner orbital hybridization and outer orbital hybridization, you may not be able to write that match the following questions. This is the another 4 examples given for outer orbital. These are all examples for outer orbital, and these are all examples for inner orbital. Now, we are going to study one example only. A number of examples are there. Nearly 10 steps are there. You follow all the steps, listen to it, and the number may not be according to your numbering, may come, it's around 8 or 9, but the steps should be there. For example, electronic configuration, atomic number 1 step, ground state 1 step, that and all should be included in that. Therefore, let us start with the inner orbital complexes. One example.